In this video, we're going to learn how to find the Oregon ePermitting on an Apple device or iOS device using the App Store. In order to find and download the Oregon ePermitting app, we're going to want to access the App Store icon, which is on one of your screens on your iPhone or iPad. It's an App Store icon with a blue box with an A right in the middle of our screen here. We're going to touch that and open the App Store. The next thing we're going to need to do is search for the Oregon ePermitting app. We'll do that by touching the search option, which is a magnifying glass on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. When we touch that, it brings up the search functionality, and you'll notice at the very top of the screen, there's another search icon, which is a magnifying glass, and we'll tap in there so we can type Oregon ePermitting. And then we'll hit the search button, or it automatically pops up Oregon ePermitting app. When we do that, you'll notice the Oregon ePermitting app is the second one on the Apple App Store. And it's got a little cloud with an arrow dropping down out of it. That's the download button. If you've never downloaded it before, it'll say Get, like the app above it does. Either way, we'll touch that icon and it'll actually download the app for us. And once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and open it. When we open it for the first time, it's going to ask us a couple questions. The first one's going to be, do we want it to allow to use our location? The next one is, do we want to receive notifications or let the app send notifications? We're going to want to select allow or yes to all of these. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And we'll notice on the screen right now, it's asking for user information. So what we're going to do is we'll enter that. Another thing that we're going to see here, like I said before, is would we like it to send us notifications? We'll hit allow. The next one I'm going to show you, I'm going to switch over because I took a screenshot of it because it wasn't really working well on my recording. But this is the other one. It's going to ask you to allow you to use the location or allow the app to use your location. You're going to want to hit allow while using app. And another one that it's going to ask you at some point is, do you want to let it access your camera and camera roll? And we're going to want to allow that as well. So all of the questions that it asks you, we're going to want to allow. And the last thing that it's going to ask you to do is enter your user information. It's all required to use the app. And we'll go ahead and enter that real quick. And email will be the last thing. And once we're done with that, we'll hit the save option and it'll bring us to the main menu. So this video has been about how to use the App Store on an Apple or iOS device to find and download the Oregon ePermitting app. Please check the help page by accessing the menu to find a video on actually how to use the Oregon ePermitting app for both regular inspections and mechanical minor label permits.